Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. Under this instalment, there's a set of O2 sensor sockets. So they're pretty cool. They have a variety of different size sockets. So this one here is in the middle. This is a deep one. And then this one is your shortest and shallow one, so depending on your access and room, you have a different variety. You also have a couple of thread chasers, so these are M18 and M12 threads respectively, so that's the M12 on there. Got a 3/8 drive in the end here, and also a 90mm spanner on there. And this one is M18 and again 3/8 19mm, so useful if you've got really tight access. The real stars of the show are these sockets here. So this one here is the shortest one, the most used one. Pretty handy for stuff. You have to say so, very handy. Get an O2 sensor socket off. I've got an O2 sensor I'll show you in just a moment. And then we have this next size up, which is good not only for O2 sensor sockets but also for suspension. So if you have a 22mm, they do all 22mm openings on these. Yeah, for a 22mm opening on the top, and you need to hold it with a Allen key or a Torx key. These work really well for that, so you can break it loose. And this one's got multiple positions. Also, this one's 1/2 inch drive, and the other two are 3/8 drive. And this is a nice deep one as well, so pretty handy, deep 22. Yeah, I just got the O2 sensor socket quickly, and we'll have a bit of a look at it. If you saw my last video that I uploaded, you would have seen this sensor come off a car. But yeah, basically all you do is you feed your cable through here like so. This one's a bit more tricky because of these things. You need to do what you need to do with this one is bend it over as deep as you can and get it on there. Not doing the best job there. But again, most of them aren't as deep as this, and these ones work good for this. You literally just come over again, get it down, and yeah. Like I said, this one's my most used one, this style here. I haven't used that one all too much. It's got a 24mm end on it, spanner. Yeah, and then they got the next one, which is basically the same. Yeah, it's happy to break these loose without having to cut them. Yeah, fit on there fairly snug. You can also get a pair of vice grips and clamp these down to stop them from spreading, because you do always spread a bit from these open socket design. Yeah, they work really well. These two work a lot better than this one, from my experience. I haven't had much use for this one. But these two are definitely very handy. I've done a suspension job with this one. I had a 22mm bolt and I need to hold the central strut so it didn't keep spinning. So here's just a quick bit of footage of me removing an O2 sensor with it. I'm going to break it loose, so you slide it on like so. Then you get your ratchet in place. Again, this is the 3/8 one. Just line your ratchet up like so. Again, they got different sizes. The smallest one, I think, to give you extra room to get in there if it's really tight. And yeah, not the camera as always. Yeah, it breaks them loose quite easily. As you can see here, it's broken loose nice and easily. I won't bore you with me taking the rest of the way out. So now you've seen the footage, I'll move on to my final thoughts in just a moment. I just want to quickly say that I picked these up from Temu, so they're fairly cheap and affordable. I think I paid for like £12 for the entire set, which isn't bad, and they are very good quality. It surprised me how good quality they are. They do stand some abuse. Not all O2 sensors come off as easily as the one I showed you in the video. They come off pretty easily, luckily. Remember, when you're doing O2 sensors, plenty of penetrating fluid helps. You want to keep soaking it in it, undo a few threads, soak it some more. Really helps. It helps you stop you pulling the threads, and it helps you stop having to use these sort of tools. But yeah, generally if you do gnarl up some threads, these are pretty good for cleaning them up. I've used them a couple of times. Once for that one, I haven't used that one. Yeah. Overall, they're pretty good. They are, as I said, it said on the side here, they're 22mm and 7/8. So yeah, pretty good sizes. Work pretty well. Now moving on to my final thoughts. I really do like using these. I've used them a solid amount of times, so I say. And yeah, I highly think they're really good little sockets. I'm going to give them a 4 spanner rating because they are that good. I deserve it. And yeah, if you need a set of 02 sensor sockets, I highly recommend picking these up. They work really well for me. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps both the channel and me out. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I post 2 videos a week, so by subscribing, you'll never miss a thing. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop a comment down below, and I'll do my best to reply to everyone. Here at Dobby Repairs, we're all about helping you learn how to work on your vehicle safely and showing you don't need to spend a fortune on tools to get the job done. Want to support the channel further? Become a member, starting at just 99p. Members get perks like early access to videos and more exclusive content. Keep fixing, and I'll see you in the next one.